very good results, and we are very happy about it. And very happy that our company has brought such a product to us for our good health for all of us. And today we are going to learn more about our products, not only our genetic products, but also we have other services and products. I welcome the newcomers, each one of you. A warm welcome to all of you once again. And there are very few rules that you all will be muted during the meeting, during the presentation. If you have any questions, please write in the chat box. So your questions will be answered at the end of the presentation. Now I'm going to invite someone for a special presentation. So she is a woman entrepreneur. She has got experience in the health and wellness industry for more than 2 decades, and a certified wellness consultant as well in our company. And she is a health and life transformation coach by choice. Her experience you will understand now when she starts speaking and explaining about our products and services. And she is none other than our dear friend, Dr. Usha. Let us all welcome her with our webinar waves. Welcome, Dr. Usha. We are eager to listen to you.
Thank you so much, Florine ma'am. Are you able to hear me clearly?
Yes.
Okay, great. In case you can't hear me, you have to actually maybe give me a call saying you can't hear, because I won't be able to see the chat when I share my screen. So,
Okay.
friends, very warm welcome. Velocity morning, beautiful, I will say Wednesday evening, and every day is a new day. So let me quickly share my screen. But in the meantime, I want to ask, I do see a few people, and it will be very nice if I can actually see those person live. So I will request, you are here anyways, all of us know you're here, so please do switch on your videos so that we can see each other, and I also feel as if I'm speaking to live people. So can we see each other? Can I request all of you? Most of us know each other, so can I request all of you to please switch on your videos? I do welcome all the new people here for taking out the time and coming here to learn something, and get some information about how you can take charge, how you can take control of your life. Yes, we are talking about genetics, and we are going to be talking about nutrition. Today is a product training, so I will like to go over a little fast and see if we can complete in the next 1 hour. So my request will be, please do stay with me, stick on. Any doubts or any questions you have, please put it in the chat box, and I'm sure if we have time, I will answer them for you, or we will request you to ask the person who has invited you to kindly reply to those queries, and they will be the best people to help you about it. So, today, friends, what are we talking about? We are talking about 3 universal prerequisites for happiness. And what are these prerequisites? Of course, it is good health. Everyone, especially in corona times, we know it is about good health, because nothing else matters. We also look at, once we have good health for us, our family, our surroundings, we also look at a true wealth. True wealth I actually call as abundance. And the third prerequisite for a happy life for us is to live a long, healthy, gracefully aging life. So, what is it all about? If we look at the famous parameters that are taken into consideration to assess how happy you are, or how satisfied, or how healthy you are, we call this as a very unique wheel of life, which gives us information about our physical environment. It makes us think about on what parameters from 0 to 10 can I benchmark myself at, with reference to business or career, finances, health, family, friends, romance, personal growth, fun and recreation, and ideally friends. If you take a look at the picture on the right hand side with a beautiful pink heart in the center, our wheel of life has to be even and maximum satisfied and to the full. But what do we realize today? If you actually take a couple of minutes while I'm explaining the slide and assess yourself, you will find that there will be so many varying, fluctuating, when you connect the dots from all these parameters, you will find something will go up and something will go down, and it may be something which is now, and in some time you will realize it may fluctuate to something else. But we can realize for ourselves that life is not as rosy, as beautiful as we think it should be, or ideally how it should be. And what is all this affecting us by today? Yes, a very, very influential factor for all these variations in our life, external factor, I will say, is the coronavirus. So it's not just our lives were going haywire, but anyways, corona brought in has ensured that we learn a very basic concept, and the basic concept is definitely prevention is better than cure. And why do we say that? Because if we again take the example of coronavirus, we say today there was no medicine, there was no vaccine, or all the time we had to be taking care of various preventary measures and precautions. We have the caps, masks, etc., compulsorily to be used. Florin ma'am, can I request you to admit all? We also talk about physical distancing, then we talk about strengthening our immunity. And do you think external and internal factors both are responsible for us? Internally, how do you strengthen your immunity? Of course, the traditional home remedies, the dadi maa ke nuske, which we were so popularly aware of. Now that we have nuclear families, probably our dadi maas don't stay with us, so these have taken a little backseat. But again, anxiously we were all waiting for the vaccine to come. It has come, but today I will say anxiously we are waiting ki mera number kab aayega, when will I have my chance to go and take my vaccine first shot. So what are we talking about? Can we look at a comparison of who are healthy people and what do you mean by unhealthy people? I will say 80% of our population today, it is given and studied facts that are healthy people. And who are the 20%? The 20% we can label as sick people who are dependent on the hospital and the healthcare industry, and they do need taking care of. But again, how many of us will actually think that I am amongst the healthy people and I do fall under the 80% category? And how many of us can be really frank enough that I fall under the 20% where I am sort of not very healthy but not very sick either? But the fact is, people, we are all thinking we are healthy today, but we are just waiting to be part of that 20% by ignoring certain things. It could be a lot of aspects that we will come up to in the next slides. And it could also be basically, when we talk about internal factors, it could be because of poor lifestyle choices. And what do you mean by that? We talk about the modern healthcare challenges, corona, of course, but we talk about, like I was saying, internal habits. So that is about poor food habits. We might be, now everything is opening up and we might be loving certain foods, fast foods, we call it as junk foods, bakery products. It could be just simply McDonald's ka French fries, or cafe coffee day cappuccino topped with ice, and I mean ice cream, and lots of hot chocolate on top of it. Of course, all these things are something which are very, very liked by most of us because they are very tasty to our palates, to our tongues. Again, we are so again used to uh, aerated drinks. We are used to mineral water. You go out for a trip somewhere, you go out for a picnic, and you will immediately pick up, if you're fed up of drinking normal plain water, first is the choice will be, I'm not talking about specific brands, but the most commonly known is Bisleri. So first will be, can I get a Bisleri or a Aquafina or a Kinley's? That is the first choice. We don't tend to drink the normal local water because we know it is not good. We believe it is going to be contaminated. But what about the contaminated carbonated drinks that we have? We have so many brands, we have so many flavors. They tend to come in health drinks, but they are all synthetic juices, ensuring that they have 90% of the time they have preservatives within them. Because if they didn't have preservatives, there would be no shelf life for them. Again, we talk about polluted air, we talk about urbanization, industrialization. We most commonly, now there are so many vehicles on the road. So we talk about vehicular traffic, we talk about environmental pollution. Of course, we must have realized when we were indoors in lockdown, the atmosphere, the air outside had gone so clean. But now we have started coming back again. Again we are dealing with pollution outside, just simply because of one major factor, that is the vehicular traffic. Again we talk about sedentary lifestyles, because now that we have started going back to work, it is a desk job. And if we are working from home, I will say it is a more of a no desk job, because whole day you're sitting in front of your computers, in front of your phones, in front of your iPads, and you're working. 24 hours has actually become a work from home, full time working profession for us. So we realize there is stress. Stress could be even because of sitting for long hours. Stress could be because of the actual work that we do. It may give us sleepless nights thinking of some targets and some achievements and something that is incomplete, which will not give us. And then working 24 hours, we realize that now we really have no time for exercise. So all these are our modern health challenges. And what can we do about it? It is very rightly said by Hippocrates. If someone wishes for good health, one must first ask oneself if he is ready to do away with the reasons for his illness. Only then is it possible to help him. So, only when you realize about the factors that I mentioned above, you will be able to understand that what is it that is genuinely there which I need to change. So, I need a commitment for myself. You need to be committed to yourself. Why? Because if we see the facts of life, we are born someday, we will all be prone to getting diseases someday or the other, and we will age. How we age is again a choice we need to make for ourselves. And the most important factor what we see today is death. And the death reasons is very very high, especially because of diseases, not because of birth, not because of aging, but it is majorly contributed to various diseases that have manifested themselves in you, in me these days. So what are we talking about? We are also talking about the current healthcare trends. What does that mean? If I fall sick, I have some symptom and I'm not able to bear it, I will go to my doctor. The doctor will give me some prescription medicines, and then I will eat those medicines. If I get well in 3 to 5 days is fine, or I go back to him, or I get busy with my work. There again you have a choice. There again your commitment to your health or your work comes on a very very varying parameter. So you decide, okay, let me just ignore it. I know things are not going to be wrong, I am okay, and you bear with those problems. What really happens is, when you suppress your certain signs and symptoms, they will internally explode. They will manifest after some time in such a huge way that it will become a totally uncontrollable thing, where you will have to depend compulsorily on the hospital and infrastructure that is there for healthcare, on the medical fraternity. It will of course cost you money. Today we think medical insurance is going to take care of it, but think again friends. I pay a medical insurance of almost 35,000 rupees for insurance every year of almost 40 lakhs. Why? Because again, that is necessary. That is necessary if you are a family of even 2 plus 1, or you are a family of 2 plus 2. There can be even more. But we are paying from our pockets for that insurance. Nothing comes for free. So, how long do you think you want to continue with depending on the healthcare industry? Today, again, in Corona times, we have seen there is a big dearth of healthcare professionals. There are no beds for people, how much of a critical you get. And what is it that we should think about to get committed to our health? Take a look at the old model of healthcare. The old model of healthcare was, like I mentioned earlier, when we have a symptom, we react to the symptom and go and take care of it through a doctor. It could be with a healthcare setup, it could be your family doctor, it could be your next door doctor, anybody, whoever we are comfortable with. But that is a reactive approach. Something is hurting, something is not comfortable, so I need to get whatever that cause the disease. Management needs to be done. And of course the first line of treatment, as they call in medical language, first thing what they will treat you is always very very generalized standard medicines. They will give you the first line of treatment, and then the doctor will also wait for you and your body to mix with those medicines, and then see whether it is a common kind of ailment which will get cured in 3 to 5 days, or it is something severe where you need to go back to the doctor again. So what you do is you actually get into a vicious cycle, and of course in the long run, like I said earlier, it becomes a very very costly affair. But if we think about a new model of healthcare which I'm proposing to you today, let us take a look at something which is proactive. Proactive money, it will tell you in advance. Then if you know something about your health in advance, of course you will have steps and stages and understanding about how you can prevent what is going to happen in future. And yes, this is to do 100% only with you, because you as an individual is very unique. What will go wrong with you may not go wrong with your any other family member. It may be your parents, may be your sister, your brother, your children, whoever it is. Everyone is very unique. So when we talk about a new model of healthcare, it is talking about you as an individual as a whole. And that is how, once you're able to predict, you can get proactive, prevent it, and it being personalized. No two people will have the same kind of cure, or no people two people will have the same kind of targeted problems. So, what are we talking about? I am talking about making a shift in your thinking, making a shift in your understanding, where we look at the old system where we were also heading towards, like we saw in the earlier slides, the main cause of death today is due to diseases, not due to anything else. So, we were talking about premature death, where you will have signs, symptoms, it could lead to some kind of disability, or finally, the treatment paradigm will lead you to some kind of a premature death. But today I propose we let us look at a higher level of wellness, where through this webinar I'm trying to create the awareness, give you the kind of bare minimal education, so that you will become aware about yourselves, your health, your circumstances, your body, your genetics, your inside and your external as a whole. And it will help you grow and give you wellness, which is actually an active process of becoming aware and making choices towards a healthy and fulfilling life. In the words of WHO, wellness is actually a state of complete physical, mental, and social well being, and it is not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. So, it's a very, very dynamic process of change and growth, and that is what precisely we are here to understand today. Well, we have this Velocity Life Sciences Private Limited, which is creating a huge revolution, making big changes in people's lives because they have a basic corporate philosophy. And what does that say? It goes by the words of Hippocrates and Thomas Edison. Hippocrates said, "Let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food." And what Thomas Edison said, "The doctor of the future will no longer treat the human frame with drugs, but rather will cure and prevent diseases with nutrition." So, what is the simplest thing that comes to your mind? The philosophy of Velocity is fame, food as medicine every day. And how does this happen? This is to bring about holistic well being, where you have two options in your life. One is to make smart and wise lifestyle choices. And of course, it begins with the second choice that you make of having balanced, nutritious, organic food. So what we actually look at here is fitness is 30% workout and 70% diet. Why 70% diet? Because again, like we said in the beginning, you are what you eat. Your food will turn into your various cells, your tissues, your muscles, your organs, your systems, and that is how keeping them active with fitness regime and mainly taking care of your nutrition, it is what will lead you and take you to a healthy abundant lifestyle and happiness. So our basic philosophy, again taking it up from Hippocrates, let food be thy medicine. What is it that we are talking about? We are talking about a whole new science called as nutrigenomics. What is nutrigenomics? If you study your genetics and if you study nutrition, then it is regarded that you can actually prevent or treat any kind of diseases. Well, friends, this is the latest scientific breakthrough, and that really tells people that it is easy to stay healthy and stay fit if you can control your diet and take care of your good exercise. So, it is also about saying goodbye to the one size fits all traditional methods of treatment. So, we are again actually trying to chuck out the old system of healthcare. Well, like I was saying, Velocity Life Sciences Private Limited, it is making revolutionary changes in Indian markets because it is a pioneer and market leaders in nutrigenomics in India. And it is creating an awareness through its special training, entrepreneurship, and coaching wing, which is called as the VIGNET, Velocity Institute of Genomics, Nutrition and Entrepreneurship Training, where educated, certified professionals in the science of nutrigenomics are being trained, groomed, and they are being set up in the market so that they can help more and more people every day. So a little about Velocity Genetics is, this is a totally technology driven wellness company. It is headquartered in Mumbai, incorporated in October 2016, and the pre-launch actually happened in May 2017. It is in its fourth successful year of operations, and of course it has lots and lots of valued customers and distributors across India. Well, what is so special about Velocity Genetics is it is a strategic combination of well qualified and experienced health and wellness professionals. And it includes not just wellness entrepreneurs, it includes the scientific fraternity, genetic officers, bioinformaticians, alternate therapy practitioners, nutritionists, and thus it creates a truly single platform which is vibrant wellness organization of India. Who is Team Velocity? Well, Velocity got started by our CMD sir, Mr. Stan Sirao, and it includes our other efficient team, which includes our Chief Product Officer, Milind Doshi sir, and Chief Genetics Officer, Arnavaz Kola, and also it includes a scientist who is a global scientist, a researcher, Dr. Vimal Karani. He's basically from India and UK. He is a scientific advisor for nutrigenomics for us, and to help us, to guide us, and to train us what to do with our lives once we understand our genetics. Are four lovely ladies, nutritionists, nutrigenomic counselors, who have helped more than, I will say, 1,000 individuals. Each one of them has done it over the last 4 years, and that's the bare minimum figures. Well, we also have the backing of a scientific and medical advisory board, which includes Dr. Nikhil Baljekar, Dr. Mahendra Sawant, Dr. Sumita Prajapati, Dr. Ravi Vairagde, Dr. Kishore D. Shah, and of course a horticulturist. So not just people specializing in various fields of healthcare, but also because we look at nutrition, we look at plants, we look at antioxidants. There is the father of sea buckthorn, a senior horticulturist, Dr. Brahma Singh, who's also included on the Scientific and Medical Advisory Board. With such a strong team, we also have to have a strong statutory compliance so that we can run an ethical business practice. So everything that is required for the compliance is available, is done, and is updated with Velocity Life Sciences Limited. You can take a look at this when you log on to the website www.myvelocity.com. All these detailed information are there. Well, friends, again, we understood the corporate philosophy. Now, let us have a small vision and a mission, because if we are a company and we don't have a vision or a mission, we will not know where we are heading for and what we are here to do. So, we are aspiring to make a difference in each and every individual's life that we come in contact with. Why? In two ways. Vision is to be becoming a leading Indian wellness organization where we are delivering innovative and technology driven wellness solutions, of course, to people of all walks of life. And the mission is to reach, through people like you and me, to reach 1 crore people by 2022. It is whole of 2021 and the whole of 2022, 2 years, friends, and build loyal wellness ambassadors, beginning pan India. I will not say pan India, because today we also have clients, customers who have used our wellness program and are taking benefit, who are based abroad, who are living abroad. Well, like I said, Vignet is creating genomic wellness professionals, and that is definitely going to help make positive contributions in the society as informed professionals and genetic experts in an illness world. Today, after Corona, I call this a totally illness world because nobody could control what came up suddenly and what was totally unwarranted. Well, friends, for us to learn and for us to, it's not just about one training program today, but the company provides a sustained accreditation of genomic education program where we have about where we have continuous learning of 6 hours, 8 workshops per year over a period of 3 consecutive days. And this is also a program where you are awarded a participation certificate. But if you want to actually get certified and take this up as a career, if you know anybody in your family, in your neighborhood, you know any dietitians, then this is a specialized field even for dietitians and nutritionists. And for this, there is a 6 hours intensive training program. Sorry, this is about the Sage program season 5. The date will be announced soon. We have already finished 4 seasons, and usually it is from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. on 2 consecutive days, and it is open to all. For a negligible charge, the online training program on nutrition, it is a continuous learning program, I call it, is just 975 rupees, which includes GST. Well, the other program that I was talking about is a certification course in nutrigenomics. What we provide there is it is only for selected people. Like I was saying, if you have somebody in your family, in your friends, in your neighborhood, dietitians, nutritionists, then they can get certified in the special field, special science of nutrigenomics, where the next batch is going to be starting after March, and the registration closes from 28th of February 2021. There will be online study, 48 chapters, 2 assignments, and of course, there will be online live classes, interactive, with the industry experts and faculty, which will be a bare minimum of 16 hours webinar. Well, friends, this again is just for 20 people per batch. So it is very, very individualized training program where everybody in the program is given personal attention, personal knowledge, and ensured that they learn everything at par with what is the basic concept of the course. Well, this again is for just a nominal charge of 6771 plus 18% GST. So it is less than 8,000 rupees. And I'm very happy to inform, of course, there was going to be a hike in price, but I think it is still worth it. Go ahead, friends, and grab it. Register right now, because it is going to be a life changing phenomenon. And of course, if you have not thought about it, once you do the certification course, you'll think of becoming a nutritionist and a counselor yourself. It is worth it. Well, again, the expert team includes our management fraternity and the nutrigenomic counselors, Stan sir, Milind sir, Dr. Vimal sir, Riddhi, Lavina, Reena, and of course Ria. But friends, what is all this I'm talking about? Nutrigenomics, genetics, where did it all come from? The whole science came from the Human Genome Project, which was run from the 1990 to 2003. And in this, what Bill Gates has to say is the DNA was discovered, a lot of its effects, how food affects it, what happens when you eat, how it gets converted, what is genes, what is DNA, how it affects on test animals, laboratory animals, and finally how it makes a difference in every individual human's life was found out. So, like Bill Gates says, DNA is like a computer program, but far, far more advanced than any software ever created. Well, friends, even if you look at this one slide, it will take hours together to actually read through each and every phase and steps that are mentioned in this slide. But for us, the bottom line is we are so happy that we have a new technology which is helping change lives and stay healthy for life. Why do we talk about all this technology, and why do we talk about DNA and genetics? Well, friends, let us simply understand this is what we learned in biology. We have a human body. Human body is made up of various systems. Systems in turn are made up of various organs. Organs in turn are made up of tissues, and tissues are made up of mini, mini, micro, micro, so many millions and millions of cells. So the human body is the best work of art as per Jess Scott. And what is it inside a cell? Oh my God, cell also isn't an individual. It is a whole complex system, I will say, with so many different materials within itself. And the most important material inside a cell, I will call it as the nucleus. Why nucleus? Because we'll study further. Of course, other than the nucleus, we have a lot of other organelles, as they are called: the lysosomes, the endoplasmic reticulum, the mitochondria, the Golgi body, the cytoplasm, the cell wall externally, the plasma membrane, and etc. etc. But we don't need to bother about all this. This is just what we studied. Even if you had science till 10th standard, doesn't matter. You still studied how a cell looks like. Now, what looks inside a cell is, we spoke about the hero of the cell, that is the nucleus. What does the nucleus contain? The nucleus contains chromosomes. And what are these chromosomes? Chromosomes are in turn made up of or comprise of DNA. What is DNA? DNA are nothing other than what we know as our genes. Genes are basically segments of DNA. And if you take a look at how many cells we have in the body, well, approximately a human body has 37.2 trillion cells. And how many, what do you say, DNA always comes in base pairs. Okay, so how many base pairs of DNA is there in each cell is nothing less than 3 billion base pairs. So if you take just one DNA out of that 3 billion base pairs, the data or the matter or the information that is preserved within a DNA, if you extract it, it is a bare minimum 3 GB. That's it, approximate. We can't tell you a maximum or we can't tell you an average, but yes, it is approximate 3 GB. So that's also great. And what does this DNA consist of? It can be categorized by just 4 words, that is A, T, C, and G. So, what is the difference between one human being and another human being? Well, friends, 99.9% of our DNA sequences are the same. All human beings. And if you're a human being, then we are the same. But what is different? What is different is your hair is different, your looks are different, your features are different, your fingers are different, your body is different, your parts are different. And that difference is just about 0.1% DNA difference. And that is what actually makes us different from every individual. That is why we are different from our brothers, from our sisters, from our parents, from our children. We are all individuals, like I was mentioning earlier, very, very unique. And how is this 3 billion base pairs of DNA fit inside our chromosomes or our nucleus or our cells? Simple. पुराने जमाने का फोन का वायर, which used to be so complexly, I will say, coiled and compressed, and it will look exactly like that if you try to pull a string of DNA from a chromosome and very, very compactly arranged. Kitna lamba? Ki if you can actually unwrap the DNA, all the DNA from all your cells, it would reach the moon and come back to the earth at least 6,000 times. So see what a beautiful structure it is. Isn't this lovely, friends? Can I get a yes? Florin ma'am, am I still audible? Well, friends, let us also look at the structure of DNA. The DNA is supposed to be a double helix model, what we were seeing going round in the earlier image. And of course, the Nobel Prize for discovering the structure of in medicine was given in 1962 to James Watson, Francis Crick, and Maurice Wilkins. And this structure that you can see is very popularly known in genetics as Watson and Crick model. So they were responsible for the discovery of the molecular structure of DNA, and that has gone a very, very long way. We were mentioning about ATCG, they're basically the base pairs, and a DNA structure is just base pairs and sugar phosphate backbone. So again, if we talk about the difference, we spoke about difference between two human beings, but what do you think is the percentage of genes that you share with other plants and animals and insects? With plants, it is just a common 18%. With yeast cells, which are the basic living cells, it is 26%. With I can't see this. Between a mouse, okay, that's a dragonfly. Okay, with that, the difference between a human DNA and dragonfly is not a dragonfly, sorry. I forget. Excuse me. 44% between a mouse and human genetics DNA is common. 92%. We did lose a tail when they evolved into chimps, I will say. and what evolved from chimps is we. So between the chimp and human beings, the common factor, the DNA similarity is 98%. So what does all this mean to us? How significant? Why should we look at it? Because today, friends, you can take total control, total charge of your body, of your health, of your well-being by knowing your DNA. What you're born with and what it can affect you, it can cause you and bring along with you. Like we say, we find out what is in a genome patri through our genetic testing, and that tells us what is the kind of diseases you might be bringing along with you in your blood, in your genes from your parents, 7 generations of your father and 7 generations of your mother. But it can also be other factors which will tell you you are safe from, say, you're going to be safe for a lifetime from obesity. You may not have any tendency to have cancer. You might be very prone to asthma or diabetes, or you might just be having some kind of malignancy developing or a predisposition to it. So when you know things, you can really take charge, prevent it, control it. So what are we talking about? DNA, DNA, DNA. Well, if you have very popularly heard about DNA, then what we have heard from is the forensic DNA, which is taken care of in criminal investigations, identifying maybe bodies, maybe paternity, maybe identifying some crime. So it is basically done by or considered by government and investigating agencies. We are not talking about the forensic DNA here. We are not even talking about the clinical DNA, which is done for advanced testing of especially the efficacy of medicines that will be administered to a person who is chronically sick. But this again is by prescription only by qualified healthcare professionals. Well, friends, for you and me, it is the wellness DNA that we are talking about. We are talking about wellness DNA tests, which deals with basically our food, nutrition, exercise, lifestyle modifications. And the best example that we can quote is Amir Khan, who saw an entire thorough body transformation just by following the wellness DNA test and a diet and exercise regime. And you can see that in the movie Dangal. Well, friends, another very happy thing happening for our technology, the DNA technology, is it is being considered for and in the process of getting passed in the Lok Sabha. It was proposed in July 25, 2019. And I think if the pandemic wouldn't have come, I'm sure this would have been a bill already passed. So the use and application of DNA technology is going to be regularized by the regulation bill 2019. So let's really look forward to it. And you and I are the people who are actually going to take a huge, huge leap in this industry if we stay around and understand and learn and adopt it in our lives. So, what is all this DNA wellness tests about? It is about considering your existing environment, that is your eating habits, sleep time, water intake, height, weight, BMI, BP, the blood tests that we do, the vitamin levels, vitamin B12, D, whatever is existing system that we follow today. Along with that, if you club your DNA report, that is what is going to give you a complete picture so that you can take charge of your lives. Now, why do we say this? Very common articles that were that had appeared in various print media was genes may leave some people more vulnerable to severe COVID-19. And it is also said that COVID infection among young due to genetic effects was also on a all-time high. Even if parents didn't get affected, the children may get affected. But the worst part was the children wouldn't show any signs and symptoms. So it wasn't even getting detected, but they would definitely spread it to around their families and other children. Well, another study said that vitamin D, the more of vitamin D in you, the appropriate adequate levels, the more you're safe from getting COVID infection. So, if you have a hereditary deficiency of vitamin D, then it said you would be more prone to get infected by the ideal novel coronavirus. Well, friends, looking at all these and considering what is it that you can do or what is it that will help you or your family or your surroundings is basic targeted lifestyle genetic tests. And what is it we talk about? Today, diabetes is so common. So we have specific ailments targeted tests. And if you talk about the diabetes management test, yes, of course, there will be a bare minimum of 30 DNA tests done, you will have a 40-page detailed report, and you will have a counseling of about 45 to 60 minutes when you're targeting only towards diabetes. Of course, the 12-month wellness help desk is available, and the sample of choice that we take is only saliva. So it is a very, very non-invasive kind of a test. It covers all the necessary related genetic factors which are responsible for diabetes management. Similarly, we have the cardiac profile, where we have the lifetime genetics program for cardiac health. Why do we call it lifetime genetics program? Is basically because our genes cannot change, our parents cannot change who gave birth to us. Therefore, you do not have to do these tests repeat again for these parameters in your life, because once a lifetime deficiency will always show as a lifetime deficiency, but you will also be taught in this genetic counseling what to do about it, so it does not, the deficiency does not really affect you and cause any kind of illness in you. The third most important factor is weight management, obesity, which is also a chronic pandemic across the globe, not just India. And that is why we also have a weight management LGP, lifetime genetics program, profiling done. Similar, you have a 12-month wellness help desk, 30 parameters, 30 DNA tested, 40-page report, and 45 to 60 minutes of counseling. On the same lines, we have the Eat Right program. If you're fit, if you're healthy, and you think you don't need any illness test to be done, but if you are a person who regularly does a health checkup for yourself, do go ahead and do this once in a lifetime Eat Right program, so that you will know what is the foods friendly with your genetics, and you will be able to stay healthy, stay as you are, and stay as happy you are for yourself and your family. Similarly, we have smart kids. Of course, kids is a big concern. All the mothers here will definitely tell someday or the other, their kids said, I will not eat this, I will not eat that, don't give me food, I will only play. So those are issues and tantrums which may also cause lack nutritional deficiencies. It may be vitamin mineral deficiencies. It could even impact their thinking, their intelligence. And if you want to know all that, what you have passed on as genes to your children and how they can be better, because we always as parents think my child has to be better than me, he has to be more than me, he has to be higher than me. So that is possible very much by knowing your genes, knowing your genetics, so that tomorrow your children will not say, ha, mama, you gave it to me. That is why I am sick today. No, we have an option to change that today. And yes, women, very integral part of the culture of the family, the one responsible who takes care of the entire family majorly. And for healthy women, women's body is entirely different, so it needs some special care and attention. So there are some woman friendly and woman characterized parameters that are tested. Again, 30 DNA tests, 40-page report, 45 to 60 minutes counseling, a personalized action plan for each of these programs, and it is, friends, well worth it. Again, we have immunity is such a common word today, we all know about it. So we have the immunity profile also being done. So you know what are your immunity parameters and how you can stay away from corona, whether it is old corona or some new corona coming up, or any other kind of pandemic which may come in the future. We'll also talk about healthy organs, because like I said, we have so many systems, each system is made up of a group of organs. So there are some vital organs in our body which needs to be maintained. If they don't exist, we don't exist, or we don't survive. So there is healthy organs parameter, which is also considered as a targeted lifetime genetics program. Last but not the least, if we are born, if we are kids, if we are Eat Right India adults, and then we will get into aging. So what is the best thing other than learning how to age gracefully? So we have a healthy aging program, again in the similar cost of 15,254 each, plus 18% GST, it comes to a total of 18,000 rupees. But the best program that most of us here who are aware about Velocity Genetics, they have done, is the comprehensive lifetime genetics program. And this is value for money. Why do I call it as value for money? Is 105 comprehensive DNA tests are done. And why do we need to do comprehensive DNA tests? Because each of us has all the organs, and each of us can get all the previous slides I mentioned, all the kinds of diseases. We are not independent that I will get only diabetes, I will get only obese, I will get only heart problems. It is not like that. So if you can get value for money for a 32,203, you will get 105 DNA tests done. This will help you understand or target almost 300 plus different common diseases which can affect any one of us today. A 125-page DNA report and a 60 minutes genetic counseling for a personalized action plan and for a health goal that you would have for yourself, for your life. Most important is, yes, of course, there's a 12-month wellness help desk, but you will also get the facility of a 6 years gene banking. In case in future, like when the company started, there were only 33 DNA tests being done, but today it has grown to 105 because there's continuous growth, research, there is upgradation of the tests and profiles, and latest information and requirements getting incorporated. So you have a 6 years gene banking. So in the next 1 or 2 years, if the parameters grow even higher at a nominal difference in charge, you can avail this facility at a MRP of 38,000. Well, friends, the best part of the entire training is there are offers. And comprehensive lifetime genetics program will cost you 38,000. But if you think we are a family of two, and I'd like to do it for myself and my husband, or I'd like to do it for my mother and father as a gift to them, then when you buy one pack, of course, it costs you 38,000, including GST and no discounts. But the special offer price is for a pack of two and a pack of four, which we call as very popularly a family pack. Hum do, hamare do. A pack of two would cost you 62,000 rupees in place of 76,000 rupees, and a pack of four would cost you 96,000, which would otherwise be priced at 1,52,000. And friends, this offer is only valid for the next couple of days till the 31st of January, that is the coming Sunday. So go ahead, make a decision, think what you want to do, see what you want to do, why you want to do. I have been trying to tell you all this while. And what you get in this comprehensive lifetime genetics program, whichever profile you choose, you are provided a DNA kit which comes from Canada. It is shipped to you free of cost. Once you make the payment to the company, you are guided either through a video or by the person who has called you to give a saliva sample appropriately without contaminating. In the next 21 working days, you will be given a 125-page personalized, individualized genetic report of what is inside you, what is good, what is harmful, what is bad, what is lacking, and what is your strengths also. Then it will be followed by a genetic counseling of about 60 minutes. Following that, you will be given another action plan, another PDF, which will tell you what you need to do, how you need to keep healthy, what is it that is important for you to keep healthy, and of course the 12-month help desk along with the gene banking. So friends, go ahead, grab it. This is a sample of the kind of the report for all those doctors and healthcare professionals on the webinar. You may be able to correlate better with what kind of medical tests or medical reports. But I tell you, friends, it is totally different, because a medical report will tell you what is your problem today, whether you're sick, you're not sick. But a genetic report will definitely tell you what can be your problem tomorrow, or what was your problem yesterday, and due to what reasons, and simple how to tackle that without any medicines, only by your nutrition, your diet, your lifestyle, which is going to be your genes friendly. So we have this kind of report where it gives you the risk indicators in the form of a picture, beautiful picture on the top right, and then it will also tell you what is the kind of risk, whether it is a normal risk, low risk, whether it is a moderate risk, whether it is a high risk. These are the kind of 105 will be listed at the initial pages of your report. So your report will look very beautifully colorful with nice colored smileys like this. And individually inside, when you go further into the report, each parameter, say if we talk about vitamin B12, then what is the risk, what is the which is the mutation and why it has happened, how it is going to impact you, what is the research recommendations, how what is it you can do with your diet to cope up or to take care, whether it is moderate risk, whether it is high risk. But if you think there is no risk, or it is in the green where it talks about low risk, then it is something that comes as a boon to you and is going to be very helpful. So this is what miraculous results. Once you do a DNA report, you understand the root cause of your ailments and your problems, and then you are able to take care of any kind of problems in the body. Because friends, in naturopathy it is said your body is your best healer, your best doctor. If you provide it with the right amount of nutrition which it actually requires, and that is what we learn here. When we know what is required by the body and in what quantities, this is the kind of miraculous results that we can see. Because there was no I will say no diagnosis why this was happening to Urmila. But once she understood her genetics and she got into her action plan, her fingers really miraculously became beautiful again. Similarly, this can affect, it's not just about fingers or nails or toes, it can affect your hair growth, it can affect your personality, it can help you with your weight loss, with your staying fit and healthy, looking younger, becoming smarter. And yes, of course, this is our CMD sir, very smart and handsome. And not just they, it is also over 8,000 happy customers that we have across all the states in India, and it includes 20 other countries. So we have our valued patrons right from our ex-president Pratibha Tai Patil to various other politicians like Gopal Shetty, Sanjay Nirupam, and we also have cricketer Nayan Mongia and certain other cricketers who have done our test. We have spiritual gurus like Shri Ravi Shankar ji, Prem Nirmal ji, and of course we have the entire fraternity of medical and non-medical professionals, Bollywood personalities, sports people, not just cricket but also into athletics, into other professions. We have business people. We have so many of them, including Pooja Bedi, who was our brand ambassador in the initial 3 years. And that is how, friends, knowing is knowing and doing is doing, knowing is not doing. So I invite each one of you friends, come experience our absolute revolutionary scientific technology that can put your smiles ahead of others. And how do you learn? What is it that Velocity also gives you additionally? When you want to know more, when you want to learn more, then there are some world class training programs. Precisely what is happening now is called as the Velocity Wellness Forum. It is a training program to understand what we do, how we do, and why you need to get it done for yourself. Then again, there is a success blueprint and a full day winners workshop. We just finished one on Sunday, the first one after the lockdown. Of course, I mentioned about SAGE and we mentioned about the 2 month certification program. But along with that, there is also ranks recognitions and there is accreditation. There is a women's special wing which conducts program, especially on Women's Days. We have a 2 nights 3 days leadership retreat where we travel across India. We have the train the trainer programs, and of course we have some wonderful 4 night 5 days go diamond foreign tours. So friends, there is one coming up very soon. We are going to travel international again. I remember last February we were all at Tashkent, and this February we are planning to be in Dubai. So take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live in, and that's not being said by me. It's said by one of the biggest philosophers, Jim Rohn. So, friends, thank you so much for listening to me. I hope I have been able to train you, teach you something which will help you, benefit you. Take care of your family. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay blessed. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Dr. Usha. You have said very nicely. You have nailed it because you have thorough knowledge about products and our services. And you have already also done the 2 months course, CCNG, as well as all the 4 seasons of SAGE. So nobody knows much more than you. Anyway, thank you so much. Wonderfully said. We understood. Mostly we are all IBOs here. Now, I invite at least two of you, whoever wants to share the today's experience, today's learnings of Dr. Usha.
Florine, ma'am, I think we have one or two guests.
We have
Yeah. Mr. Vinod Kumar from Orissa. Can you please share what did you
community.
learn? Yeah.
Unmute him, let him share.
Yeah, I did. Mr. Vinod Kumar, are you there from Odisha? Mr. Mogana Murthy, are you there?
Yes, madam.
Yes, sir. Can you please share what did you learn today?
Same presentation, just now completed only one language, Kannada. I'm from Karnataka.
Wow,
With Stancer.
really very nice.
Just 11 to 1:30 p.m. completed same Kannada language.
Very good.
Wonderful presentation, madam.
Very
Then
good, very good.
Stancer is came Shimoga, Karnataka.
Okay.
And the one language I understand better. Wonderful presentation, madam also.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Kannada and your own language is much better. Yes, Dancer has gone to Karnataka.
Yes,
All the
madam.
best to you all. I hope you all understood and you all are coming up with a big team. Karnataka
Yes,
team,
sir.
we are going to have, I'm also from Karnataka. Welcome,
Oh,
welcome
okay.
to Velocity.